sustainability in business. See, I feel like over my almost 2 decades as an entrepreneur and as a business owner, I've learned a lot of things. I've had a lot of ups, a lot of downs, and I'm very observant of the market, and I see kind of what happens, and I see so many companies, roofers, consultants, contract, all different types of companies come sprinting out the gate, and they just go so hard, so fast, and then they fizzle out and either disappear or have to reset or have to downsize. And I think the lesson that I've learned over my career in business as an entrepreneur is that steadiness and consistency is what leads to success. Okay, what's that old story? The tortoise and the hare, right? The hare goes sprinting and it gets lost and doesn't get to the finish line, whereas the tortoise just keeps staying focused, keeps showing up, keeps going, stays steady, and gets to the finish line. I would encourage you to really think about that, because this is not a sprint. Business is it's a marathon, okay? This is a lifelong commitment that you make when you start to be an entrepreneur. When you start a business, you're making a lifelong commitment to whatever business that is. And even if you sell or even if you have an end game, that's great, but you still need to be steady and focused. Show up every day, be consistent, see what that prize is, see what that target is, and work your way towards it. And you will build a sustainable business that can last through the challenges, through the issues, through the ups, through the downs, through the changes in the economy, through the changes in your local markets. So I want to encourage you today to really think about, as you go into this time of year, and think about sustainability. Think about what action and what things are you doing right now to create good habits of sustainability, and stop worrying about what everyone else is doing and just focus and move forward and show up every single day. Guarantee if you do that, you'll find peace of mind and you will build a sustainable company that's going to last while others fizzle out and they sprint and they fade. Take care. God bless.